Good morning, Tradeify Nation. Welcome to another London session stream. We got some tech issues to start this week. Let's see if it actually works. You know what? I'm gonna play the sound here. Tech issues. All right, it seems to be working. So, good morning, everybody. Hope you had a great weekend. Welcome to a new week. Welcome to a new month. And good morning, Celine. How are you doing?
Good morning. I'm doing good. Glad to be back. It was weird being away from the charts and away from the chat for 2 days straight. That was, having a bit of FOMO, but it's good to be back. Hopefully we can get some sort of banger on the charts today. Already I have been in a trade, so I will get into that a little bit later with you guys, but good to be back.
Hey, you know what? What's funny? Thursday, Friday, like these kind of days, these half days and low volume days, those are the days where I perform the best. I absolutely slaughter the markets on these days.
No way.
I fucking love those. I love those.
Oh my God.
I took 7 trades on Thursday and Friday, all winners.
How? What the hell?
Those
are my worst days.
Just long the bottom, short the top. Literally, like, and do that on repeat. It was great. I fucking loved it.
Wow.
But chat,
so I guess,
how was your long weekend?
That's payback for not having CPI, I guess.
Yeah. No, I love half days. They're amazing, honestly.
That's funny.
How did you guys do this weekend, chat? Did you enjoy it? Had a great time? Let's see. First of all, let me say good morning to everybody. Good morning, Corey. Good morning, Chipok Toad. Good morning, SP4. Good morning, Robert. Good morning, Kirill. Good morning, Aurora. Good morning, Patrick, Chris. Who else we got in here? The other Chris. Cheesy Ball. Cheese balls. God. I read it without thinking. Oh my God. Well, anyways. Let's get started. Let's look at NQ and what we did in the overnight session. I mean, obviously, as usual, we start on the daily. Today, so far, we did sweep Friday's high, right, and are moving lower. However, we are respecting this daily fair value gap on NQ at 190. I'm actually going to go down to the 4-hour really quick to see what has happened. Actually, even lower, 1 hour. We had the daily open 25,485, and we made this little upwick here and then straight up moved down, right, from 25,482 down to 193. So kind of like over 200, almost 300 points, which is kind of insane. Quite a big drop. Now are respecting previous day low pretty much and pushing back into BPAP. What do you see, Celine?
Yeah, so previous day high and low has already been swept for me. So quite already a volatile day for myself to be looking at coming into this week. But what I can see is on the daily, we've tapped into the bullish FVG that's sitting just there. The high of that bullish daily FVG is at around 25 to 80. So we've already swept that low. So potentially could be looking for bulls for the rest of this week. But in saying that, as usual, my London session approach is always a little bit different to my higher time frame analysis. So at the minute, what I am looking at is we have swept previous 4-hour high, and going into this session, we've sweeping the previous 4-hour high. We have also tapped into this bearish FVG on the 4-hour. So I'd be looking for 50% of this level to be respected. 50% of that bearish FVG is roughly where we are now, 25,317, pretty much with that price we've just tapped into at the minute. So I'd like to see that level respected. Looks like we could just be testing there, and then I'd like to actually be taking shorts. But we'll see what we get. Definitely looking bullish on the high time frame. This week I'd probably be looking at the highs at, let me just get that level. The highs on the daily chart that I'd be looking at getting taken next would be 25,830. But that's for this week anyway. Not sure if we could get up there today, but yeah, like I said, looking for shorts at the minute. And I have already been in a trade. So should I just quickly go through that, Nick?
Yeah, do it. And of course, while you're looking for shorts, I'm looking for longs.
Oh, of course.
Because what would it be if it's not a
Welcome
Tradeify
back
TV?
To Tradeify.
Yeah, but now go
quickly
through your trade.
All right. So what I had just before we got started here was a sweep of previous 4-hour high, along with a sweep of the previous 15 minutes high, which was the 245 candle. Along with that, we had a displace move that also inverted this 1 minute FVG. So for me, that's my signal entry that there is some sort of bearish momentum, and I want to hopefully be involved in the distribution of that 15-minute candle. So I market entered, got a bit of a shitty feel somewhere down here, 25.26. I hate to say it, 267.
So keep in
then
mind they can't see your screen, right? You have to explain the levels very.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Very
So
much in
let me see. So we had a sweep of previous 4 hours high, which is the level at 25.283. And once we had that sweep, I was then waiting for a sweep of the previous 15 minutes high, and we got that at that swept at 245, which is the high at 25.282. So once we swept that, I was then looking for a 1 minute inversion, and that happened at the 250 candles. So that inversion closed at 25.271. And then once we had that closure, I marketed in, was hoping for just a 1-to-1, and ended up getting stopped out. Stop was at the candle high at 25.283. And that was a trade. But I'm still looking for shorts.
Well, you just love shorts too much. This is so clearly long to me. I don't know where you're looking for shorts right now.
Looks a bit crazy, doesn't it? I mean, well, look, I'll see. It has to be a very clean entry for me to be involved now. I'd want to see like quite a large displace move lower now that we've closed this last 15-minute candle closed pretty strong.
I mean, this is
Nick, I feel like there's a bit of a delay.
No, there's no delay. I just was quiet. I just didn't say anything.
Okay.
Hello. It's the thing is, for me, this is a perfect, like, ideal 4-hour 50-minute 4-hour fractal model, and this is just candle 3 right now that we're trading. So I expect a lot more expansion, like at least to previous day mid 390s, 25,400. But let's see.
Let's see. Of course, we're fading each other first day back.
Of course.
But Chad, we do have a few. I think so we're now obviously in the live finals of the Tradeify Grand Cup, and there's four of our team in it. All 5 actually. We include Logan, who's from Tradeify, but 4 of you guys are still in it. Is anyone here that is in the live finals? I'd love to know. Let us know.
Let's see. Oh, I see what I did wrong. Chat, now you should hear me better. I was fixing some things here in the background. Now you should hear me fine. And you should hear Celine fine as well. At least.
Oh, could they not hear me that whole time?
No, they were able to hear you. But my voice apparently wasn't the best. Should be fine now. Hey, Patrick, thank you so much for letting me know. That makes me so happy. Whee! Let's see. SS Kai, you want to give away Friday 21st of November, but still didn't get it? Then email nick@tradeify.co. That's not me, that's the other Nick, but he can help you. That's what's up. All right.
So has anyone been in trades? How are we all doing today? Or did anyone trade like Nick on Thursday, Friday? I mean, I definitely didn't. Those are my worst days, but
wait,
I'd love to know.
SS Kai, are you asking me to write that email? Or did I get that wrong, or did you just ask me to write that email?
Can you write the email?
Hey, Russell, actually one thing that we agree on, Thursday and Friday was easy. Those are the days I perform the best. Low volume range days. I love those.
I hate those. There's nothing worse for me. Because I like to trade momentum and volume, so I hate days like that. Nice. Taco Trader just took a scalp.
Nice. Ayrton says I was long gold, but I got out and now he's up 20 points. Yeah, Max Payne. Max
Sky
Payne.
TV said he's French, so he didn't understand. No, just the mail. I don't understand. I'm French. Email.
Yeah, so just write an email to nick@tradeify.co.
Maybe it's easier if you say it in French, Nick.
Oh, well, that's going to be tough. So what did you do on the weekend, Celine?
On the weekend, I took some time definitely to relax and do absolutely nothing. Got a massage, made use of Bali is very cheap for massages, by the way, guys. Like, you can have a full spa day and spend, I think at most you could spend in US dollar could be like $100 and have it
But
like
then you
a
go
full
crazy.
spa day.
Then you spend the entire day there.
Yeah, but it's really worth it. They're actually really, really qualified and really good. So, yeah, did some relaxation, did some Black Friday shopping. Actually, they did have some good sales on the weekend. But that's about it. The weather wasn't the best, so I didn't get out too much and just chilled out, really. It was nice to be off the screens, give my eyes a bit of a rest. What about you?
I love being on the screen. So it was funny because my girlfriend, like a month ago, she told me that I should block the entire weekend. And I did, obviously. So yeah. She told me this is kind of like an early birthday weekend because my birthday is next Saturday. And then she would surprise me. And on the morning of Saturday, I asked her, what are we going to do? And she said, well, we're going to the cinema hotel. A cinema hotel is kind of cool. It's like a normal hotel, but every room has a balcony that faces cinema, right? So you could watch movies and stuff from your room, which is kind of sick.
Way.
And I was super excited. I was like, oh, hell yeah. So she packed my suitcase, said, I can't look into it. And I was like, okay, cool. And so we left at like 8:30 a.m., 9 a.m. I opened the door to, like, from our apartment, right, to go to the garage. I opened the door and my two best friends are in front of the door. And I'm like, what the fuck? What? So then I was so confused, like literally for a minute I was staring at them like, what the hell?
Who is that?
Ultimately, they told me, hey, you're not going to the hotel right now. Instead, we're going to like a hot tub boat, which was sick. Like it was
That's so
like
sick.
a floating hot tub that you can just drive out on the lake and then you can dip in the lake, which is super cold right now. And then you go back into the warm water, which was nice. Then after that, I thought, okay, now we're going to the cinema hotel. But no, they took me to a super nice restaurant where we ate lunch. And then after that, they said goodbye and everything, and said, hey, now you're going to the hotel. Have fun. And so my girlfriend and I went back to our place to grab some stuff. And she then said, okay, now you got to put the blindfold on. And I said, why? I know where we're going now, right? We're going to that hotel. And she's like, yeah, but I wanted it that way. Just put that blindfold on. I was like, okay, cool. So I put the blindfold on and she drives for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. Ultimately takes me out of the car. I still have the blindfold on, right? And I'm so confused by this already. And we enter a building and I realized it smells like super bad. I was like, this is not a fucking hotel. There's no way. There is no way that this is a hotel. Now here's some steps around me, like running. And I thought to myself, it can't be that my two best friends show up again. Like there's no way. However, I just walk in. And then she goes like, okay, now you can take your blindfold off. And then in front of me, there were like literally all of my family, all of my best friends, everybody in like a school gym, right? So they rented out this entire gym and we just played like fucking games that we played as kids and did that for like 2 hours. It was so fun. It was super cool. And then afterwards we went to a nice restaurant to eat. And we never went to the cinema hotel. I was kind of sad.
Oh, this whole time I was like, when did they get to the hotel?
Yeah, but then my girlfriend took me to the cinema the next day. So I was like, yeah, okay, hell yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
It was.
Oh wow, you had a full-on weekend.
And I got the sickest gift ever from my girlfriend. Not from my girlfriend, from my sister. You won't believe this, Celine. Are you ready?
Is it the Lambo?
Nah, look.
Oh my god! No, your
This
sister's
is
in on it too.
4 kilograms.
Where
Four
do
and a
you even
half.
find that? Where did she
I have
find
no
it?
idea where she found that, but it's fucking sick.
That's hilarious. It's gonna sit on your trading desk as well.
Hey, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna make a video where I don't know, I eat a steak or something and I just pour the entire
And then you
fucking
just, like-
bottle over it.
That
It's
is
gonna be
too
so
funny.
I actually made a video. Probably that's gonna get me fired, but I made a video and sent it to the foodies chat. Did you see that in Slack?
Oh no, I didn't. Wait, am
look,
I
I'll
in
show
the
you.
foodies chat?
This is my favorite video now. You see my screen?
I can't. But let me get up YouTube. Hold on.
Well, on YouTube it's gonna be delayed, but it doesn't matter. So
Yeah, I got it.
Wait, there we go. Look. It's my favorite video now. Probably it's gonna get me fired though.
Wait. I didn't get to see it yet. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh my god. No. Disaster. That is in a restaurant too? What?
Yeah, of course.
That's terrible.
All right, back to the charts. That's what I did this weekend. It was fun. Hey,
Oh
we got
gosh.
Coach Tank in the chat. Coach Tank says it's graceful. Oh my god, this is fucking
Hey, Coach
disgraceful.
Tank.
Yeah. Tanker.
See, Nick, it must be a Swiss thing. I don't know. I really don't know.
I
And
don't
your
know.
sister's in on it too, which is, oh god. Like, where did she find a bottle that big?
I have no idea what it's so sick. It's my new trading buddy. That's what it is.
Oh god.
All right, back to the charts. We're hanging out around VWAP right now. So let's see if it pushes any higher, but I do expect it to go higher. Tank, what are your thoughts on NQ right now? I mean, I know that you're trading like DAX and shit, but what are your thoughts on NQ?
Coach Tank, it's not a Swiss thing, it's just a Metzger thing. I think so. If the sister's in on it, it must just be a family thing.
Nah, she doesn't do it. She just gifted me because she knows. She knows, you know? She knows me well. Let's see. You might be getting another short setup here, Celine.
Potentially, yeah. I'm gonna wait now for the new 15-minute candle to print. But I don't like that we're leaving this massive bullish 15-minute FEG behind, because it looks like we could just sweep into that now and go higher. But I will be waiting for my shorts.
All right. Well, I'm not looking for shorts. I'm looking for longs.
I
wanna see
know.
those longs.
Whenever I'm looking, I think Russell's on my side today. Russell says, "Give me a giant red candle."
Well, then I'm even more long. If Russell says short, I'm long.
All in
no
long.
questions asked. By the way, chat, we didn't even set a like goal yet.
Oh yeah.
What was it last week? 440? What was it?
Oh.
I don't even remember.
Four.
I don't even remember.
I think, yeah, let's 445 today. That sounds right.
All right. 445, chat. If you haven't already, make sure you smash the like button. Get us to 445 likes. And we're going to give away another 50k growth account.
Another one.
Somebody says longs right into Asia High. Pew trades, actually. I agree. Probably not Asia High in this session, but previous day mid, 400s. I would enter longs on CASD here, 5 minute. If we get a continuation play. But let's
So I need to ask where your Asia high is, because I was tuning into yours and Amasa's stream on Wednesday, and I realized my Asia high is also different to yours.
Look, just to clarify this, when I say Asia high or London high, I look at the entire session from when the Asian market opened, right? Like from when Tokyo Stock Exchange opens, and the entire London Stock Exchange open. And the Asia high for me, so like Tokyo Stock Exchange opens at 7 p.m. Eastern time. So my Asia high is obviously the 7 p.m. high, right? 25,470. And
Jeez,
this,
yeah,
everybody who says anything else, I mean, cool for you, but it just doesn't make any sense. Let's be honest. Like we're looking at a session, and the high of that session. Why would the high of the session be outside of the session? It makes no sense. Zero.
I can't
At least for me.
explain it.
So whatever you
It
want to do.
just is.
So
I was so glad
what
because
is your Asia high? What is your Asia high?
so my Asia session, well, they call it the kill zone. So it's just this point from 8 p.m. Eastern till midnight Eastern.
Yeah, okay. So
And
that's
all
that's kill zone high, but it's not the Asia high.
Technically no, but those are the levels. If we get up to that 8 p.m. high, that kill zone high, which is 25,344. To me, like Asia's high has already been swept. So that's all I'm saying.
Yeah.
In my opinion. But technically no. Yeah, technically no, it hasn't. But it was just funny when a master was like,
the answer is simple. Who builds the best watches in the world?
oh, wait, what? Why is this about watches?
Who builds the best watches in the world?
Do I have to answer this?
Yes.
What? Wait, how does this? I just don't understand the connection.
What country builds the best watches in the world?
Let's let the chat answer.
Yeah, they're answering it. They know. The Swiss.
Swiss.
Right. So we're discussing something about time. Who do you think is right?
Oh god. Yeah, look, you can have that one.
No, I see your point, but as I said, for me that's just kill zone high, right? At the end of the day, if the Tokyo Stock Exchange is open from 7 p.m. until 4 a.m. Eastern time, then I'm going to take whatever the high is during that session, and that's the Asia high. Everything else makes no sense to me. Nobody can convince me otherwise.
Okay, you heard him, chat.
But I see why you're doing what you're doing, and I'm not saying that it's wrong. It just doesn't.
No, I just always was like, I just always like for the longest time thought those were the sessions. But then obviously when you Google and you find out when Tokyo opens, it's like, wait, so why do I use that as my high? But yeah, it makes sense.
Yup. Who says Japan builds the best watches? Like, what kind of drug did you guys take?
Yeah, Japan, what?
Slightly green, no. It's 7 p.m. Eastern time, Asia opens. Oh god.
Oh no.
Just use Google.
Yeah, that one's not hard to Google.
Nope. So Coach Tank thinks we're gonna short here. Okay.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Well, that's good if I'm on the side of Coach Tank. That's always a good sign. We have pretty much retested that midpoint of, well, actually, we got a bit higher than the midpoint of that bearish FVG on the 4 hour. So I like that we're respecting that level at the minute for shorts.
Yeah, Coach Tank just sent me his 5-minute chart analysis. Tank, can I pull this up on screen? Do I have permission to pull this up? Casio. Dude is comparing Casio to Rolex, AP, and Patek.
All right, I'm not like a watch expert, but I know that they don't come close.
No. Kirill Trades is asking, Coach Tank is part of the team? Never seen him, just asking. Yeah, Coach Tank is our coach for our live traders, and he's absolutely fucking crushing it with them. So if you are a good enough trader and you get moved live with Tradeify, then you get to work with Coach Tank for free. It's included, and he actually helps our really good traders become even better traders.
Yeah, it's such a bonus.
Being able to work with Rolex, dude, are you good, bro? Are you good?
They're rage baiting, surely.
Yeah.
Rage baiting.
It's great. It's great. All right, we might get a change in state of delivery here in 5 minutes. I would enter this trade long if we do. So that would look something like this. Would be a long with the stop below the FVG. And then 221, basically up to previous day mid. But only if we get a change in state of delivery. So I need a 5-minute candle closure through 35. If I get that, I will long.
35. Oh, yeah.
Before that, I know.
I need a sweep of, at the moment, the previous 15 minutes high at 340. Call it, that's about 343. If I get a sweep into that and then a displace move lower, I will be in short.
All right. Let's see who
So
gets
we'll
it first. Let's see who gets it first. We can both make money in the same direction.
I mean, we have before, right? I think we have.
I think once.
The other
People are
times, I
going-
think we just broke even.
People are going crazy about watches right now in the chat.
Yeah, I can see that. What have you started?
It's great. Love it. All right, chat. Here's
Is it just
here's Coach Tank's analysis. Sorry, no.
No, go for it.
Sec. This is what Coach Tank sent me.
Oh no, I can't see it on our background. I'll have to
You
go
can
on
see it on
YouTube.
YouTube though. Just see on YouTube.
All right, let's see.
Where are the levels though? I don't see the levels. But yeah, that's basically where we are right now. That's 20. The one he's looking at is 25.30. Okay, let's see. I see.
I think that fib level was based on the 4-hour gap. Am I wrong?
I
That
don't know.
fib.
We are getting the push on the 5-minute. Starting to like these longs.
Bit of a push.
A bit of a push, yeah.
Kirill
Corey,
thinks it's
yeah,
good
I
for
know.
short. Fitbit made in
But-
Japan, just saying.
But Corey, you also got to know that Fitbit has the shittiest GPS tracker out of all the smartwatches. Like this, the GPS tracker on the Fitbit is so fucking bad. I literally just use Fitbit because of the step count. Step count is great. Everything else is trash.
But you can pretty much get that on every smartwatch now, the step count. There's no
Yeah.
point. You can even get that on the phone.
Yeah, but I don't have the phone in my pocket all the time.
Oh.
So I gotta wear a watch. Which in this case,
I want to get one of those watches, the ones that track. Are they the Whoops?
yeah,
The Wops?
Whoop. The
Whoop.
thing about Whoop is I used Whoop when basically when nobody used them, like 7 years ago.
Jeez, have they been around that long?
Yeah, but then back then there was no step counter, so they only what they focused on was your HRV and not steps.
Oh,
So that's why I switched over to Fitbit.
makes sense. For me, I really want to track my sleep. I'm very interested to know.
It's funny, I did that for a while, until I realized I was always sleeping well, and there was no point in trying to optimize my sleep because my sleep was already so fucking good. And then I was like, yeah, well, there's no point actually. It's interesting to gather some data around it, but the question is, are you going to do something with it or not after?
Yeah, I actually would if it told me like you had, like, for example, I have used a smartwatch in the past when it told me I was like having only 15 minutes of deep sleep, which was not normal. So then I started to like sleep at different times, but it just wasn't as accurate. I feel like these whips are really good at the sleep stuff. So
yeah, yo, we got
curious.
Kane in the chat. What's up, Kane? Are you back from the Maldives? How was your trip?
Yeah. If you want to track your sleep, get 8 sleep.
8
What's
sleep is
that?
pretty sick too. 8 sleep is kind of like a pad that you put on your mattress, and then it cools your bed down or heats it up depending on what you want. That's pretty sick.
All right, let me look into that.
And apparently, I'm assuming it also tracks your sleep, according to what Kane said.
I want to know how it actually tracks. Like, how do the watches track? Is it based on breathing? I don't really get it.
No, it's based on your heart rate and stuff. I don't know exactly how it works, but heart rate has a big factor. Oh, Kane, that must be brutal. Like from Maldives straight to England. Ouch. It's like opposite worlds.
Damn.
Man.
Maldives would have been nice.
How's your yard looking?
Why does he have like a? What's the deal with his yard?
Oh, if you don't know Kane's yard, Celine, what are you doing?
What's up with your yard, Kane?
You gotta know. He says 8 sleep is based on heart rate and breathing. Yeah, that makes sense.
Oh.
That makes sense. So chat, for me, for the charts, I'm still looking for a change in state of delivery here for a continuation play. Until that happens, I'm not interested in anything right now, especially since we're hanging out around VWAP. Would I take the short on gold? Would I take the short on gold after this CISD? Look, the thing is, Pew, on gold right now, I'm actually interested to see what Kane says, because I know he trades gold. But the thing about gold right now with this short is London high did not take out Asia high. And if it does not do that, I'm just not a big fan of switching the bias already. You see what he said about his grass, Celine?
Yeah, he's like, we're grass nerds. I'll just pretend like I get what you guys are talking about.
Kane says shorts are good. I just would have loved for him to sweep Asia highs first.
So I got Kane and Coach Tank on my side.
No, we're talking
then
GC shorts. We're talking GC shorts.
Oh, damn.
Nice try, Celine.
Damn. Kane, what about NQ shorts? Surely you're with me.
I said I'm still looking for longs. Let's see where we're at with the like count. We're at 149. Chat, come on, smash the like button. We need 445. 445.
Smash it. All right, I really want to get a sweep. Oh well, it's almost actually the new 15-minute candle opening. So if we get a sweep of the previous 15 minutes high in a minute, which will be the high of this current 15 at 25, that level's 25,335, I will be looking for shorts.
Love it. Tradeify TV. He says, see, Kane says NQ is long biased.
No. Oh, no. Weekly high, daily high.
Doesn't mean that you can't make money on charts, you know?
Well, this alley close should be the start of a pullback on GC. Oh, that's GC. NQ, I'm long bias. Damn. Yeah, I'm long bias overall in the high time frame, but just for a little London session scalpy.
I just don't like about GC that we didn't take out Asia high. Aditya asking V-shape recovery till day high. Yeah, but probably not in this session. Yeah, I mean H4 is super bullish, Kane. I agree on with like on NQ. H4 on gold though? Nah. I don't know. We had an inside candle. The previous 4-hour candle was an inside candle. And the one before that was a strong bullish candle. So, not a fan. Not a fan. How cold is it in Switzerland? Probably similar to the UK right now. Let me look. Switzerland, where I live right now, it is 5 degrees Celsius. I would assume UK.
It's 5 degrees right now.
Yeah, it's cold.
What the fuck? I'll tell you what it is on my side of the globe.
Well, like 30.
Pretty much. 30 degrees every day this week.
That's crazy.
I'm really sick of it.
Why are you sick of 30 degrees? That's fire.
No, because sometimes you just need a break. Like, just a little bit of rain would be nice. Just a little bit.
Finch is asking, Nick, favorite Swiss watch brand? I would say Patek. Patek is the cleanest. Rolex is just overused. Like, there are some nice Rolex watches, but you gotta get the elite watches and not like the entry-level models. And in the elite levels, there are some really nice ones, but Patek is nicer. Kane, I'm in Lucerne. It's kind of like the middle of Switzerland.
I'm in Bali, so all the way on the other side of the globe.
Yeah, that's so funny how we're like across the entire world.
I know.
You know, another sick watch, Finch. One that is not heard of really is H. Moser. H. Moser has a Vanta Black watch. Vanta Black is like the darkest black you could ever have, like that was ever created, and that one is so sick. Like, look, this is a Vanta Black watch in front of a black background. Let's see if I can copy this over.
Don't start the watch chat. I know nothing about watches, I'll be honest.
Well, now that's good. Now you can learn. Look, that's a Vanta
Rolex,
Black watch. Look at this. That's a Vanta Black watch in front of a black background. How fucking sick is that? It's like you can't see it. It's just gone.
What even? How is that sick?
Fucking fire. Because on the wrist, this looks so black. It's so dark. Like, it's just cool. It had Batman vibes, you know? This is fire. So
yeah, that's definitely giving Batman vibes.
That's one I'm definitely gonna buy in the future. Look, this is
Oh, Joanna says I sound a lot louder than you. Should I turn it down?
No, I think it's the only person out saying that, so probably not true.
Okay.
Look at this. This is the watch on display. Look at how sick this looks. Like, you can't even see. It's just like shadow. It's fire.
It's pretty dark, I must say.
It is. It's the darkest dark, like the darkest black you could ever find. They also painted a car with it. It looks so sick. Just Google Vanta Black, and you're gonna find so many sick things. Cars look fire. Watches look fire.
All right, when I'm buying watches one day, I'll come to you, Nick, because I will have no idea.
Yeah, sure. Whenever you have questions, ask away. Okay, so technically, we would have a change state of delivery now on gold for shorts, but I'm just not a huge fan. Okay, chat is saying I'm quieter apparently. Wait,
yeah, but I just might need to turn my.
I'll turn mine up. Don't worry, you're fine.
Okay.
Let's see. Oh shit, that was the music. Okay, no, you have to turn yours down. I don't know what it is. I can't change mine.
Cambam says feels like Celine is yelling at me.
She is yelling.
What? Oh my god. I've turned it down now though. It should be fine. Can someone tell me? Is it a bit quieter?
I don't know.
You're good.
China needs
Okay.
an apology. I apologize, China. I'm sorry.
It's like a whisper and a loudspeaker.
MMNQES says, are we entering short, Celine?
No way. There's no setup yet. The only time I'd be entering now is if we swept, and if we do end up sweeping this previous 15 minutes high, which is at 25,335. If we get up into there and then have some sort of displaced move with an inversion, I will look to short that, but nothing yet at the minute.
Finch, that's a nice watch. That is a nice watch. I agree. Robot says, hi friends. Hi Nick with the good hair. Hi angry Celine. Why angry Celine? Celine is not angry.
What?
Are you angry, Celine?
I'm not angry. I mean, not today.
Not yet. But you just made her angry, Robot.
I know. Just
You
don't
just
tell me I'm
something.
like 34 years old like you guys did last week. One of you.
Do it. Oh, Damien is giving me some tips on how I could change the volume here for me. How's that, chat? Is that better?
Oh, that's louder for me. Now it sounds like you're yelling at me.
Okay. Kane is asking, what's wrong with being above 30? Yeah, Celine, what's wrong with being above 30? I'm
There's
turning
nothing
30 on
wrong with
Saturday.
being
What do you? Be careful what you say. I'm turning
Like-
30 on Saturday.
Let me explain. Okay, I asked the chat to tell me how old they thought I was, just based purely, obviously, on my looks because they don't know me, and they said like upwards of 35. Some of them hit me with 40. Like, what am I meant to do with that? I'm 27. I'm not even 27. I'm 26 for the record, so they were way off.
Damn.
So I was just a little
26,
disappointed.
chat.
I'm way off.
Yeah, NQ is just consolidating here. What the hell is that? It is forming a nice bull flag though. The Nick's alter ego, the bull flag trader, wants to come out right now.
Do it.
Nah, only if we get a change instead of delivery. Yeah, gold is hanging out around here too. Kane, are you
So
taking
now
the
the
gold shorts, or you just like them but you don't take them?
Let me see if I would have had a setup on gold.
The thing about gold is it is respecting. It is respecting.
Oh shit! I actually would have been in shorts.
On gold.
Not that I trade it, but I would have had a setup.
Okay. Oh yeah, true, Kane. I remember. Was this your first time in Maldives, Kane? And if so, how did you like it?
Did you swim with sharks?
Well, that's
Little
you don't do that by choice. It just happens anyway.
No, apparently you can. You can.
Of course you can, yeah. Yeah, nice. Yeah, I love the Maldives. Fucking sick.
I want to go.
It is sick.
But tell me how the sharks were, because that's what I'm really worried about. It's not shark season, so no whale shark season is over.
Yeah, whale sharks, yeah, but they're always like these little black tip, what's it called, black point fin sharks or something. Like the little reef sharks, they're like this big. They're not too crazy. But yeah, I saw your manta ray. I saw your I don't know if it was a manta ray. I think it was just a stingray in general. The story below your villa. That was fire.
But they don't have the stingers, because it's stingrays with the stingers, right? And manta rays are just like
Manta
just
rays
cute.
are sick. Actually, Celine, in Bali, I went snorkeling with manta rays. That was fire.
Yeah, a lot of people do that. They're huge, but they can't.
Yeah, they're huge.
It's different to the ones that that people are normally like worried about.
They're like so crazy big. Like snorkeling with them, if it passes you, like you're like, yo, what the fuck is this thing? It's kind of scary. Yeah,
I've
that's
gotta
true.
do
Black tip reef sharks. Yeah, those I meant.
Wait, I need to look these up. Black tip
They're
reef
kind of
sharks.
cute. They're kind of cute. They're not scary.
Black tip.
It's just like you would imagine a shark to be.
Oh no! What?
It's just like
That's
this is a basic
huge.
shark. It's a basic shark. Yeah, there are small ones though.
So wait, these were the ones. Are these the ones that were in the water while you were there, Kane?
Yeah,
Those are
they're
huge.
everywhere.
You can
Yeah,
swim with
but the nurse
shark.
sharks, the nurse sharks are more like in the Bahamas, no? That's where they have those.
I'm looking these up so I can tell the difference. Oh yeah, those are the ones that I think I feel better swimming with these nurse sharks.
By the way,
Those black
chat,
tip ones.
I need to say something important. You see how it
Go
still
on.
says 60 million in verified payouts? That's wrong. Look at this, chat. 99.5 million in verified payouts
Hey.
now on Payout Junction. So getting close to 100 mil. It's going to be crazy.
Almost 100 mil.
That's going to be crazy. Yeah, Kane, but in the Maldives there are reefs. I think in the very south where you get, I think from December till January you get a guarantee or almost a guarantee that you're gonna see whale sharks. Where were you? Were you in the north or in the south?
Let me tell you, we have plenty of sharks.
Bali has a lot of sharks.
No, Australia. Because we have cold
Australia's
water.
Dude, Australia is where the devil keeps his pets, I swear. This is no fun.
It's true. It's true. We have snakes. We have everything. Everything that'll hurt you is in Australia.
Oh, chat, this is turning into a nice bull flag here in the 5 minute. If it doesn't break down now, if it breaks down, then I'll give Celine her shorts.
No, I don't want it to go yet. I didn't get it set up yet.
Let me look that one
I need
up,
to-
Kane. I'm actually going in January. That one looks nice though. That looks nice. Well, everything in the Maldives looks nice, to be fair. Campbell says, Nick, look up Sydney funnel web and tell me you wouldn't even want to sleep. Wait, Sydney funnel web. Let's
Wait,
see.
I think there's
Ew,
I think we
fuck
have them in
no.
Australia, right?
Oh, fuck no, man. Nope.
Wait, I need to look that up.
Nope, I have it on screen
Sydney.
here. Nope. Mm-mm. Get me out of there.
Oh yeah, native to Eastern Australia. This is what I mean. We have all the scary, everything that's scary lives in Australia.
Mm.
Have you seen that guy on
Kangaroos are
Instagram?
fire, though.
Tarzan guy?
What's that?
Have you seen that guy on Instagram, the real Tarzan? Have you
Is that
seen
the guy who
how he
touches
like?
all the animals and goes like yoink?
Yes. Oh no, not that guy. He's
That
crazy
guy's
too, but
funny.
pretty much he'll grab like a snake by its head. Or the other day I was watching a video and he's like he can go face to face with the snake. I don't know what's wrong with that guy.
That's insane.
Yeah, Kane's seen him. He's insane.
Do you know the Australian guy who goes out with his boat and his dog and his 2 kittens and just lives on the ocean for a couple of days and catches fish barehanded and shit?
No. Sounds
Wait,
cool.
I'll pull it up. This guy is so sick.
But why would he take his kittens and dog out there?
Look, this guy here. This guy. I'll put him on screen.
Wait, let me see.
He just catches like lobsters by hand, and his content is so much fun to watch. Like, it's kind of like meditative. Highly recommend.
Wait,
Highly
what?
recommend. I'm watching his videos like all the time. Look at the red bars here. I watch pretty much every video.
No, I think I've seen one or two of you. Yeah, see that one where he's on the clear boat? I've seen that one.
Yeah,
where the
that's
shark
so
comes
sick.
up.
So sick.
Yeah.
Hey, here's the 9 a.m. volume. Tokyo close. Let's see if that pushes up or down. But gold is not getting that move lower yet, which is exactly why I didn't take it. Because I would want to see this Asia high sweep first. Sweep off 4291.8 and then lower.
Should we ask Kane where he thinks Asia high is?
Oh, want him to chime in on that discussion? Well, go ahead, do your
Kane.
thing. I know where Asia high is.
I want to know where you have Asia high right now.
On NQ?
Because for me,
or what?
On NQ. On NQ. Because me and Nick were having this discussion. My Asia session is 8 till midnight. So my high is at 8:51 on NQ. But Nick's is at like 7.
I just look at Tokyo stock exchange opens. And not.
Yeah, I think he's going to say I'm just going to 7 to 2. Yeah. All right, Nick, you win. You win this one.
Whoopsies. I mean, if it works for you, it works for you, right? It's like trading in general. So many different strategies can lead to a positive outcome or a negative outcome. Whatever works for you, works for you.
True. I don't want NQ to go down yet. I need to see it sweep this previous 15 minutes high.
Yeah, this is looking like a failed bull flag. Yeah, Kane, I do the same. Exactly the same.
ICT named midnight is true Asia, but I always use 72's Asia range.
Wait, but ICT even says 8 to midnight? You're doing 6 to midnight, right, Celine?
No, I'm doing 8. I use 8 to midnight as like my Asia kill zone, but he totally confused me with that because for the longest time I thought that was like the Tokyo Open, and I thought that was the Asia session until like a few months ago. Honestly, I found out the hard way.
Yep, London opens at 3. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, so it turns out I trade like the Frankfurt Open.
Yeah, Frankfurt Open is 2. That's right. Yeah. Frankfurt Open is 2.
Mm-hmm. Celine, whenever ICT talks about Asian high low, it's the kill zone that is different from the Asian session. Yeah, no, I get that now. But for the longest time, I thought that was the session. But it just takes a quick Google to work that out.
Hey, Clovis, why are you yelling in the chat? If you didn't receive your giveaway account within 7 days, reach out to Nick at Tradeify.co. That's not me, by the way. That's the other Nick. It's background Nick who sends out the giveaway accounts. Just send him an email with a timestamp on when you won and the day that you won, and then he'll send it out to you. Make sure you have your email address added to your YouTube channel description. And also, why the hell do you have ICT as your profile picture?
It's kind of funny.
All right, Kate, I'm going to send you your accounts. It's fine. Some people are funny. But yeah. No, of course, if you haven't received them in 7 days, we're going to send them out to you. Just email Nick at Tradeify.co. Wait.
Yeah, Anthony, we did just tap into the bullish 15-minute FEG. I noticed that too. But I'm still bearish.
Russell, you just confused me saying I see gold is at all-time high. I thought we're actually at an all-time high. Good. Gold all-time high is 4398. 4398. Still 100 points away from it. Ooh, we might get that CASD now on the 5-minute. We might get it, chat.
Kane's fading. I'm the only one taking shorts here, aren't I?
I'm still looking for long. Still looking for longs.
That's not fun.
I just want to see the CISD first on the 5 minute. Getting it close through 335 on 5 minute, and I'm in these longs. I will take them.
All right, so for me, we did just sweep that previous 15 minutes high at like 25,330. So if and only if I get a displaced inversion for value gap on the 1 minute now, I'll look to enter a short.
Love it. Tradeify TV chat. ES did already take out the high here, so let's see what YM is doing. Yeah, YM is pushing as well. Trying to go.
So is this fractal model long 30 minute, 3 minute?
Yeah, just continuation play on 5 minute and 3 minute, honestly, both works.
Interesting.
But I'm gonna wait for the 5 minute.
Oh, I need to turn it down.
No,
Yeah.
technically I can enter it here. I will enter it here actually.
All right, wait.
Here.
Okay, I'm gonna turn my volume down. Tell me, does this help?
So sorry, I'm in the
sound
wrong
like
right
I'm
now. Target on this chat is gonna be previous day mid, but you know me, I'm gonna set my target like a couple points lower, so 87. Let's see. My volume is way lower still? Still way lower?
What, Russell? Me.
Nah, I can barely
Kane
hear you
said-
now.
Oh, wait, should I put it up? I feel like it's
Nah,
different
you're
for
good.
you and
No, you're good, you're good. I think they're saying it's good.
okay.
Yeah, Kane says it's good now. I trust Kane.
Yeah.
All right, let me actually mark out my R multiples here. So my entry was 25,336.50. Stop for now is below that swing low, and target is 387.
Nice.
Well, Kane, I agree with you on that. Why the heck do we only have freaking 150 likes? But we have 400 viewers. Especially, oh no, we have 287 likes. Yeah, you have to refresh, Kane. 287. But we need 445 to actually do a giveaway. So make sure you smack the like button, chat.
It's not the heart button, it's the thumbs up. Some of you still smash the heart.
Every single time.
I see like the hearts like pop up. I'm like, no, the thumbs.
Don't do it. Russell, you shorting this? All right. Please fade me, Russell. That makes me more confident in my trade. Love getting faded by Russell.
This is just a daily on Tradeify TV.
Mike, no, Kane is not on Tradeify team, but he is a more or less regular guest on Tradeify TV. He has had a couple appearances, and it's always super sick to have him on.
Kane, how'd you go in the Grand Cup? Or how's your team going?
Let's actually see. They were like in the top as a team, I think.
They were doing pretty good from last week.
He says I don't want to talk.
I don't want to talk. Yeah, me and Nick the same.
Yeah.
About that.
So right now, actually talking about the Grand Cup though, here's the leaderboard. Currently, the leader, and obviously the grand finals just started, right, at 6 p.m. yesterday, Eastern time. The night trader is at $4,093 in profit. First place, then second, 3,000, and third, 2,600. I saw that the guy who I think was in the top 3 of the first stage blew up
Yes,
already.
Presley.
Yeah, I think he already blew up.
Yes. That sucks.
Cheese balls. No. No. Not gonna do that. Chat, we want to give away a free account, but you have to hit the like button. We need 445 likes. We're sitting at 324. Kane says, I'm CN Key's biggest cheerleader now. Let's see.
Oh, that
rank
must be who's
9.
on top.
Yeah, he's
Damn.
on Kane's team. Kane's team. Let's see. Okay, so you have 6 people. Actually, no, more, but 6 ranks because they have the same balance.
So PB19 Jazz says he's in shorts from 334 and target is 294. 294. Okay. So we have one fader in the chat.
Wait, who's the fader?
PB19
Russell, right?
Jazz. And Russell. And always Russell.
Well, it doesn't matter what I do. Russell is always going to fade me. We know that. Yeah, don't worry, Russell. We haven't forgotten about you.
Yeah, he's Damn, are we really going to get no setup today? I haven't traded for 2 days already. I need a trade.
Market's kind of slow right now. Volume 300, 800. Yeah, okay, I don't know. Volume is okay. Volume is okay, just slow. Yeah, classic Kane. Have fun. Have a good workout.
Enjoy. All right, these markets are really slow right now. Where's your stop sitting at? 25.
297.75.
Okay, yeah, just below there.
Somebody says giveaway time. Well, is it? Did we reach the like goal? No, we didn't. We need 445 likes, chat. We're at 337.
Come on, chat. We really want to give you this account. If you don't get up there, then there's no account. It's as simple as that. We don't make it hard.
True.
It's just one button.
True.
You just got to smash it.
Smack
and
that
that's
like
it.
button.
I think it really... They're still saying my mic isn't right.
No, it's fine now. It's fine. Kane said it's fine. If Kane says it's fine, it's fine. You gotta believe says, hey Nick, you missed my comment a few minutes ago. Okay, what was your comment?
Whoa, Alexander's spamming with the W's.
Alexander. I mean, I like how you're spamming with the W's, so I'm kind of... I don't know, I kind of like it.
If it was anything else, that would have been a ban.
Okay, wait, I just saw your comment, you gotta believe. Hey Nick, I'm currently at $2,100, need 900 more to request payout from my 50k giveaway account. If it happens, it'll make my year because I have literally less than $2 in my bank. Oh, damn. Yeah, go get it. Just trade as you normally would. Don't focus on that payout. Do whatever you did that took you to 2,100. Keep doing it and it will take you to 3k.
Nick, Spicy, this guy called Spicy McHaggis is saying, seriously, the Celine audio denial is wild. They think we're in denial of it.
Well,
Spicy, if it's just you that's saying that it doesn't work, we
can't. The thing is, if somebody who I trust says it's fine, it's fine. Yeah, you gotta believe. I mean, I understand that the pressure is high, but literally, I'm just gonna tell you your username. You gotta believe. Just stick to what got you to 2100. So some people
Maybe
are still
just
saying it's not fine. Some people are saying it's fine. What is it now, chat? What is it?
what is it?
Royal Negroni. I like that. Momo Scales. Nick, how did you get into trading in Swiss German? I got into trading initially because I saw a Facebook ad. Not gonna lie. Kirill, when does the 40% off end? I think today.
Yeah, today's the last day. So you better snatch an account. It's 40% off.
People are still saying
Nick is
hello.
boy.
Well, I can make myself louder. How about now, chat?
That's Carlos says Celine already forgot the right approach and how to motivate people to like the stream. It had to be like, I know you can't do it. I bet you won't receive the giveaway. That's true. I'm being a bit too optimistic for you guys. The fact is, you're not going to get there. And that's just the harsh reality. No account today. No account. So I'm now needing to get into these shorts, a sweep of the level 25, 341, 50 now, which is the previous 15 minutes high, and then look to go lower. But I hope you still get this win, Nick.
Hey, I hope that
I
too.
do.
I hope that too. Struggling a bit here. Struggling to push through the 40s. Kirill, did I switch to Tradeify? I mean, yeah, as you know, I did end up blowing the account and I had to restart. So I just restarted on Tradeify because obviously Project X is going to be discontinued. So it makes more sense to do this right now. Is it fine now with the volume? I changed it. I should be louder.
You're super loud, but I just turned you down a little bit.
Looks like it does want to go higher. Pavel, I don't fly economy. I only fly business unless it is inter-European, because inter-European there is no business class. There is business class, but it's basically just economy in front of a curtain. It's the exact same seat,
Yeah.
and the seat next to you is empty. So wow, that's when I fly economy. But as soon as it's international, it's always business. Uh-oh, NQ wants our ass here. Mark, usually all the rules apply to all accounts, but I'm not 100% sure, so don't take my word for it. I need to check myself. Paul, it's also country specific. Like for me personally, I used the Swiss miles and more. So basically like the miles and more credit cards. But it depends what country has which offers. Can
Yeah, credit card
push
flight
up,
points
please?
is a game changer.
What's that?
I was just saying credit cards and flight points is a game changer.
Oh yeah, big time.
Would recommend.
Highly recommend.
Well, we are going lower on the NQ right now, but sadly I had no setup to get in these shorts.
Well, it's more like consolidation for now, honestly. I'm not convinced. I still like the trade. I still like the trade.
I mean, I think your stop's at a good point, because if we are to push lower than that swing, then I think it is going down.
Yeah, at that point my trade is invalidated, and then I'll take the L. But until that happens, Paul, Russell can actually see the future. He has the magic 8-ball, so.
Oh, Russell, you should try get a job in Wall Street. They'd pay you big bucks.
No, he is Wall Street. You don't understand. He is the guy who gives Wall Street people their job.
He is the market.
He is ICT.
I am Wall Street.
Where are we at with like count now? Uh-oh, chat. We're sitting at 360 likes. We have 3 minutes left before we can't do the giveaway anymore. So if you want a giveaway account today, you gotta get us to 445, which is still 85 more from here. You gotta make this happen in the next 3 minutes. If you don't make it happen in the next 2 minutes, we're not gonna give away an account. Serious.
There's almost 500 of you here, so there is enough. If everyone just clicks that like button.
Plenty of people.
You
need to hit the actual thumbs up button below the video. You have 3 minutes left.
Go, go, go. Go, go, go.
382 now.
I can't enter these shorts yet. Let's
390.
see.
Thank you.
Oh, we're getting there.
Thank you. Once my stop. 393, chat. We gotta be faster. We gotta be faster. We need 445, and you have 2 minutes left. Actually, not true. You have 1 minute and 20 seconds left. So if you haven't already, make sure you smash that like button right now. We need 50 more. Come on, do it. We have 1 minute and 10 seconds left. Fast. Everybody, come on. Smash the like button.
We've hit the 400 level.
43.
Let's go.
Come on. Smash the like button. 36.
We've passed 400. Come on. Let's go.
You have 57 seconds left. Come on.
They can't do it, Nick. They don't want an account.
They don't want it?
They just don't want that account. I don't want it.
17 more, chat. We need 17 more. Come on. Everybody who hasn't already, smack the like button.
You just can't do it. Chat.
Yeah, you heard her then, chat. You can't do it. You have 30 seconds left. 30 seconds left. We're at 432. Come on, chat. 5 more. We need 5 more. 23 seconds left. Damn, I'm actually impressed that they got there so fast. Oh my gosh. 17 seconds left, and we did it.
Hey, we got it.
Well done.
Woo.
Well done. Nice.
It really is like backwards psychology with the chat.
Oh, 100%.
Reverse psychology.
100%. Oh, NQ might bounce here. NQ might bounce. See, some people already filled it out. I'm just going to delete you. All right, chat. We're going to do a giveaway. If you want to take part in this giveaway, all you got to do is like the stream, subscribe to the channel, and once I send the Google form, fill out that Google form, but only do it once. If you do it more than once, you will get disqualified. Don't ask me where the form is, because if you do, you will get disqualified as well. Here it is. Fill it out only once. If you fill it out more than once, you will get disqualified. Good luck, everybody else.
Good luck.
All right, Lulu is disqualified.
It's looking a bit healthy. Oh my gosh,
Lulu
already
just got disqualified.
They think you're joking, and then they must be new here. He's not joking, guys.
Nope. If for
Nick
some
says
reason
something-
Lulu wins the Wheel of Names, it's just he or she is just gonna get disqualified, and the next person gets it. Will Nikoi, you're also disqualified. I really think I'm joking.
Nick, you were completely frozen for me.
I was frozen.
Can you hear me now?
Let it go. Let it go. You were never frozen.
I lost you. You went like all muffly and then just froze. Maybe it was my internet.
Maybe.
You're back. Let it go.
Come on, NQ, push it up. Push it
Wow,
up.
NQ
You have,
really-
what's that?
No, I was just saying NQ really just ranging here. Not making any crazy moves up or down.
All right, I'm copying everybody over to the Wheel of Names now, so we can do the giveaway. All right, chat. Here is the Wheel of Names. Let's see who wins. 50k growth account goes to... Let's spin it. Goes to... Let's see. Paul Trades. Paul Trades. I'm just checking if you only filled it out once, but I'm assuming so. Yeah, you did. So Paul Trades, congrats. You just won a 50k growth account. Make sure you type something in the chat.
Congrats, Paul.
Paul, type something in the chat. Tag me.
Payout.
That would be fire. Paul Trade says, yo! Hey. You just have to add your email address to your YouTube channel now. Like to your YouTube channel description. Add your email address there so it's public. And then you're going to receive your free 50k growth account within the next 7 days. Congrats.
Congratulations. Take that to a payout.
Mm-hmm. Hey, gern geschehen, Paul. All right, NQ is pushing up now. I like that. It came 5 points to my stop loss, but it's coming back up. It's coming back up.
And Q was just pranking today. I still haven't had a setup. It's been such a prank session for me.
Maybe it was pranking, and maybe it just pushes up now to get my hopes up, and then it comes all the way back down. It happens. We've all seen it before.
We have seen that happen before.
But we've also seen it in the opposite direction, so we're good. Thank you, and I are
And we've also seen it come like a point away from your stop.
We've seen it all. What is my target for NQ Arif? My target is 25,387, just below previous day mid. Dominic, yeah, anytime. Just ask away in the chat. But probably not enough time to answer it now. Bring it up in the New York stream. Celine, with 9:30 UK coming up here, any last words from your end?
From my end, guys, it's been good being back. I sadly didn't get a trade today, but I will let you know on socials if I do end up taking a short here. But other than that, have a good rest of your trading day, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hell yeah. Chat, I'll see you later today, 8:30 a.m. Eastern time for the New York stream, which is going to be fun. And then, of course, as Celine just said, tomorrow, 8 a.m. UK time. Gonna see you there. And until then, have a good rest of the day. Put a W in the chat if you loved it. Put an L in the chat if you hated it. Durkee, L for you too. Nah, we love you guys. It was fun. See you soon. Bye.
See you.